Good morning, everyone. Good day to all. By the way, I am Princess Siddigla Emergia, and today I will present to you the answers of my problem sets in Calculus 2. Now we are here in the other improper integrals. We have I answer here the item number 26. So we have here integration of dy over y squared of y minus 2 from 1 to 3. So step 1 is to identify the point of discontinuity. So if y is equals to 1, so we have here function f of y is equals to f of 1 is equals to 1 minus 1 times the square root of 1 minus 2, where 1 where it is equals to 1 over square root of 1. So 1 over since that there is no negative is square root, so this is automatically unidentified. So next is if y is equals to 3. So we have here function f of y is equals to f of 3. Then it is equals to 1 over, we will substitute the value of 3 to the y. So we have here 1 minus 3 times square root of 3 minus 2. So we have here 1 over 3 times square root of 1. Since that 3 minus 2 is 1, so we have square root of 1. Square root of 1 is 1, so we have here 3 times 1 is 3. Then copy the numerator 1, so we will have 1 over 3. So since that 1 and 3 are not points of discontinuity, we check the value in between, which is 2, to identify if it is a critical value. So So we have here if y is equals to 2, so we have here f of y is equals to f of 2 is equals to 1 over 2 times the square root of 2 minus 2. We have then 2 minus 2 is equals to 0, so square root of 0 is 0. So we have 2 times 0 is equals to 0, then copy the numerator which is 1, so 1 over 0 is undefined. So therefore, integration of dy over y square root of y minus 2 from 1 to 3 is discontinuous at y is equals to 2. So we apply the improper integral theorem, which is limit of integration of dy over square root of y minus 2 from 1 to a, where a approaches to 2 negative, plus limit of dy over y, a limit of integration of dy over y square root of y minus 2 from b to 3, which is where b approaches to 2 positive. Then step 2 is we will integrate. So we have here limit of integration dy over y times y minus 2 1 half, plus limit of dy over y times y minus 2 1 half, limit of integration, sorry for that, let me reread it for you again. Limit of integration dy over y times y minus 2 1 half, where a approaches to negative from 1 to a, plus limit of integration dy over y times y minus 2 1 half from b to 3, where b approaches to 2 positive. Then we simplify here. We have limit of integration y minus 2 negative 1 half times 1 over y dy from 1 to a, where a approaches to negative 2, plus limit of y minus 2 negative 1 half times y 1 over y dy from b to 3, where b approaches to 2 positive. So we have here limit of 2 over 3 y minus 2 3 to the 3 over 2 times 1 over y from 1 to a, where a approaches to 2 negative, plus limit of 2 over 3 times y minus 2 raised to the power of 3 over 2 times 1 over y, from b to 3, where b approaches to 2 positive. Then we will evaluate the limits. We have 2 over 3 times 2 minus 2 raised to the power of 3 halves times 1 half minus 2 thirds times 1 minus 2 raised to the power of 3 halves times 1 over 1, or also 1, plus 2 thirds times 3 minus 2 raised to the power of 3 halves times 1 over 3, or 1 third minus 2 third times 2, 2 times minus 2 times 2 minus 2 raised to the power of 3 halves times 1 half is equals to 2 thirds times 0. Since 2 minus 2 is 0, and it is 0, so 2 thirds times 0 times 1 half minus 2 thirds, then 1 minus 2 is negative 1, negative 1 raised to the power of 3 halves plus 2 thirds, then 3 minus 2 is 1, so we have 2 thirds times 1 raised to the power of 3 halves times 1 third minus 2 thirds, then 2 minus 2 is 0, so we have here 0. 2 over 3 is 0, 2 negative minus 2 thirds times 0 times 1 half. So we have 0 minus 2 thirds times 1 half plus 2 thirds plus 1 half plus 0 is equals to 0. Therefore, the limit is convergent.